Well, good morning, fellow aviators. It is Wednesday, September 20th, 2023. I'm at the Albuquerque International Airport. It's a little bit before 4 o'clock in the morning. Got a 6 o'clock flight into LAX. I'm going to Torrance Airport in LA to test fly, demo fly, and take a factory tour of the Sling TSI, which is currently the #1 contender. So I'll get up to the airport, get my flight over there, and hope you'll join me in my little journey here, and I'll see you at Torrance. So I made it, and here's Sling at Torrance Airport. It's about just a little bit past noon. Got here probably this morning about 9 o'clock. Quite a Uber ride down to here, but that's LA traffic. So I'll take you through and I'll go show you the build center and what goes on there. Go into the admin office first. And this is the admin office. There's the leader of the runs everything, and the offices. And then this way we go over to where they build the planes. Very cool. I've already had the tour, so I kind of know what I'm doing, believe it or not. And we have to walk to the student area, and I'll probably put the camera down here because I don't want the students to get all panicky. They're going to be on a video, so not record them. So here's the build center, basically comprised of 3 hangars. #1 is where the new kits come in, new planes start out. They currently have 14 in process. 9 of them I think are here. So you start out there and you progress over to this area, which is kind of the paint, and then the final assemblies down there, and I'll take you and show you each one of these kind of close. It's a good time to do it because I think it's lunchtime, hardly anybody's here. But these are, I think generally all these are quick build kits, and again they start out as they come in from the factory, uncrated. This is a quick build kit right here, so this would be the #1 position. Then it progresses as they add stuff to it and they build more things to it. So you'll see as we walk through here that they're more complete as we go down. So get down here and you got one with the nose wheel on it. These are the guys busting their butts working. There's actually a high wing there. You see the engine on this one, and then engine on here, cowling, the interiors. Show you the interior, the start out interior. It's basically this. And then as it progresses, you end up with something like this, with the panels on, a lot of heater hoses, rotor cable seats, not upholstered yet. But then, after this, they move over to the paint area. So here's another one that's getting ready to move. You can see the side of that. And they've got some wings out. Oh, really cool thing about it I found out is that when you buy the quick build kit, the wings come with the fuel tanks already sealed and done. So these wings are sitting here getting ready for paint. They've sanded them, they've got coatings on them, anti-corrosion coatings, primers. Bunch of wings over here, same thing. This plastic dome right here is Edward told me is a drying booth that they just put up. So go back and I'll show you the paint booth. So this is the paint booth where they do all the magic, make the planes absolutely gorgeous. And guys are working all around the clock here. It seems like they're really busting their butts. Now let's go over to the next hangar. So the next hangar is the final assembly. And you can see a beautiful Sling TSI. It's just about finished. It's got the paint on it, absolutely gorgeous, really good looking. So they're doing final testing, making sure everything's working like it's supposed to. It's got the front seats are out, but the back seats are in. See how cool it looks when it's done like that. And I'll walk you over to the other side. Check it out. So here we go. 915 again, super engine. And get inside. And the panel's in. Very cool. Kind of a standard configuration for IFR. Very good. Now I'll walk you out and show you 135 Whiskey Tango that I just got done flying. Hang on.
Warning. Warning. This is not a test. This is not a test. Warning. Warning. Warning.
So here's 135 Whiskey Tango I just got done flying. Beautiful plane. Amazingly, it's got over 3,000 hours on it. It's on its third engine, the Rotax 915. But really enjoyed flying it. We'll walk around it. We'll get that done. This video is going to be done. We'll post it and see how it does. Let's show the interior, but they've got the sun shields on it already protecting it. That's it. Leave tonight at 8 o'clock from LAX and head back home for a real long day, but I think it was well worth it. So thanks for coming along, and I'll see you next time.